Oh, yeah, the Bluetooth mic is hooked up, and it's going to get bright out. So let's just see. We're going to go out here. It's a pretty bright day. Kind of crazy though, isn't it? When you look around. This all came down at one time. So that means we have, oh, I'd say a good 30 inches of snow here. Let me go. Look at that. Boy, is it bright. It is really, really bright. So we're going to look around, take a little walk out here. Oh, good. This stuff started to, and the dryer vent's okay too. Just got to make sure I don't fall on my bum here. Oh, I see Mandy's driveway got dry pretty good. Our, okay. So we're just going to walk down here, get an idea on what it looks like a little bit out on the neighborhood. Huh. Boy, Ken's got a lot of snow. Whoa. Wow. That's a lot of snow, friends. Yeah, take a look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, we'll just walk up the street here a little bit. Looks like my bush is pretty well covered. Probably broke a couple branches I'll have to trim. Here's the homestead, Web Developer Way. Real Wisconsin website design lives here. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the back. Oh, I did come up that way, didn't I? Oh, it's okay. We'll go back same way. Crazy, huh? This is really something. So let's end here, and we'll just shut her down.